मोगी मार्की मतुंगिना first 200 students have tare ko seida koina full scholarship pigadoini 100% free of cost course tambigadoini.
Union Public Service Commission Upsc amadi Manipur Public Service Commission Mpsc na lawba exam yauna atopa competitive exam thagadaba aspirants singi akhanaba full scholarship course ngasidagi haukrai. Hariba course asi competitive exam pre-course ki mangzil thaba institute ama oiriba Delhi da based tauba ALS IAS amasung Manipur laingakna khusamna duna pangthokpane. Imphal East ki Porompata leba Modern College ta ngasidagi tha taramathoi chupna chathagadaba full scholarship course asi Education Department Commissioner kam Secretary Ningthauzam Joffreyna haudoki. Course asiga mari lainana Paumi Singh unabada Joffreyna UPSC amadi Mpsc na chingba competitive exam thagadabada Singidama coaching tawbada experience singna sel thungi awaba yauna khudong chadaba kaya thengnaribani adubu Manipur laingaka khusamna duna asigumba coaching ama pangthokpa haibasi competitive exam thaningba singi oinadi khudong chaba ama fangba gumbani haina phongdoki amarobda full scholarship course asigidamak December taraga mari da pangthokiba entrance test ki result lakliba thasigi taraga nipan da laukhthoklagani Mark Matung inna ahanba mahiroi chani da full scholarship pigani anishuba mahiroi chani dagi chani yankai fauba na chada humputraga manga scholarship pibaga loinana makha taba mahiroi yankai na chada humfugi scholarship pigani hairi
Angang sing khanba jogi reservation ki provision tami AC reservation tami mogi marki matungina first 200 students have tare ko seida koina full scholarship pigadoini 100% free of cost course tambigadoini aduga next 200 ki 250 students makoida 75% scholarship pigadoini next 50 damuk 60% scholarship aduga next 50 dana 50% scholarship first 200 students sing aspirants sing makoi ki oina entire expenses full scholarship si government 2.80 crore 2.80 crore government side ki pidoini adagi makha tarakpa scholarship 75% 60% 40% sigishna total 1.2 crore sina ALS ko alternative learning systems Delhi makoi ki side gi CSR initiative oina makoina scholarship pay to